Welcome back again. The MEXT Scholarship aspirants to study in Japan, especially the Indian scholars, I'm going to speak a bit now. Maybe other countries you can compare some points. I'm going to speak on the topic of the graduation university from your home country and the impact on your application. So I think there are some observations I have made recently. Before going further, you can join in the Facebook group, the MEXT Scholarship Aspirants group in the Nimble Prerana. That is, link is given in the description. So please join, and I'll be keep posting some activities related to this one, and even keep following this the channel for updates on the future activities related to the scholarship. So the MEXT Scholarship, many times. Before going many times, actually the university recommended MEXT scholarship has started now. Some of the institutions and some more will come. It is November, December, January, February, March, so up to February. There are many institutions will be there at this period, November, December, January. These 3 months are critical for many universities. The university recommended MEXT scholarship, and this scholarship has a close a touch with all of you, those who are from the normal universities. I mean to say, yes, the normal universities are the people think it's normal universities. Many students think they're not from normal universities and they are competing with other applicants across the globe or even in India. So I wanted to bring you some observation is that I have seen many students. There is no disparity. I mean, maybe there is something, but I could see there are so many applications from all the universities in India. Even from the corner of the corner, let's say some very normal small town universities, still there are applicants from there to getting scholarships and studying in the universities. The only problem I found is that you end up searching the universities in Tokyo or Osaka mostly, so you will not know these other slots in other universities. So I have seen students going for other universities many times recently. So I'm trying to tell you that your graduation university matters, but not completely. So it is actually you are coming to study here, not the university where you are from. But of course, the skill set from your university matters where you are studying. But if you can convince, or if you can, if you are confident enough that can do best and compete well with them, don't delay for application, try for applying, and you may be the next person getting the scholarship and studying in Japan. So like I said, I have seen maybe from south, north, northeast, and even the lowest in the India, that is Kerala, and even this side, yeah, all the regions I have seen students in all the regions of Japan, no, not just in Tokyo, Osaka, but all the regions in Japan. So I would recommend to you, consider well when you approach or when you apply for the university recommended MEXT scholarship. For embassy, I think you may be knowing that is in the next April, but university recommended is now going to what to say, the deadlines will be sooner. Some universities, so try to approach and try to apply sooner. Maybe it will be good for you to having some good experience in Japan with a higher education. And yeah, some more parallel information along with the MEXT scholarship university recommendation Japan, the Korea also, it's kind of I'm saying the Korean university scholarships, many people are finding it unique. Like not many people are applying, but I have seen people are studying there now. So they somehow got out and tried and they got succeeded. Like that, there are stories even in Korea universities, also South Korea universities, and even Japan. So try to apply the scholarships without thinking that you are from so and so university. If you put efforts, if you develop your research plan well, if you make some effort to study the literature, the Google Scholars or the literature papers, and make the proper technical statements, it says that you are really serious and you are capable. I mean, you are competent enough. Like that, the documents, you keep your efforts and improve the quality of the documents. I think recently also I reviewed some documents. The problem was good, but the presentation was not so good. That makes the person that you are not aware the proper writing and presentation skills, something like that. So I have spoke many things in the research plan preparation. Maybe you can check out in the nimblepreneur.com. In the next tab, I have shared that videos, and even in the channel, the highest viewed videos are the videos are from the research plan only. Research plan, I have made one and two versions, so please check out. That will be very helpful to improve your documents. And yeah, if you're clear written test, or in the university recommendation there is no written test, you will be mostly selected with the interview discussions and then go for the admissions. So they call examination, still the interview is called as examination, they call it. But I think most of the cases there will be no written test, only the virtual interactions will be there, that is a Zoom interview. For that, be prepared with your story, the effective story, not just they were interest you want to study strongly, and all these things are important, but I would recommend you need to study a bit more about you, all your skill set, how it is connected with your application, and how can you come to Japan. I mean, what you're bringing to Japan, the university you are making, let's say the higher education in that university. What is this alert? Okay, there was some notification. So, yeah, there are some more such new updates for the scholarships. If I come across, I'll we keep sharing occasionally. Keep watching. This is a general comments with the university recommended all the application from India, especially trying for university recommendation MEXT scholarship. So keep approaching. Don't get disappointed and don't get discouraged. Maybe the corona made some gap with the preparation, or maybe interaction from seniors and getting inputs. There may be some gap, but still people are getting overcoming that situation now. It's been a while, I think. Yes, let's hope many of you get the scholarship and come here and study here. Wish you all the best, and please check the link in the description. That is the MEXT Scholarship Facebook group, which is from the Nimble Prerana, and also Nimble Prerana International Network. That is additional activities resource where you can find some more information and workshops and channel. Please subscribe. So wish you have a good day. Wish you good luck. Thank you.